today, as you can see, we are going to be cleaning my daughter's room. It is a complete mess. She actually is she just left to go to the fair with my parents, so she's going to be gone for a little while. So I thought I'd take the time to finally be able to maybe deep clean this room. I'll see how far we get, but at least get it tidy again to where this is not going to drive me nuts, at least for another week, because she's 3. She loves to drag out all of her toys. She's getting better about helping me pick up at least her Barbies and stuff, but yeah, when it comes to her room, we just got to work more on her wanting to tidy up the rest of her room more. So yeah, let's get on into cleaning my daughter's room. So first off, I'm just starting with wiping down my daughter's bed. It's been a little while since I've done that, so I thought I better get this done today. Plus, I think she had something to drink in here at one point, so whatever that was splattered onto the back of her bed and stuff. And if I sound a little off today, I am recovering from a cold, so I apologize.
At one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my.
And I'm getting into her bottom drawer here. She has like her sheets and then some baby blankets in there, so I finally wanted to go through there and just like go through some of the sheets that she still uses, and then just put away the baby blankets, since she really doesn't need those anymore.
Hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little.
And my daughter has this like huge unicorn thing that doesn't fit other stuffed animals in, but I wanted to go through and get rid of a bunch of her stuffed animals. So the ones you see me putting in the plastic bag are the ones that I'm going to donate. But yeah, I ended up getting enough stuffed animals out to where I didn't have to use that big unicorn anymore, which saved a little bit of space in her room.
Like oh my God, you got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God. You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules. talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is black, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
The little kitty you see here is our little meowlin. Unfortunately, not too long after this video was made, she passed away. We're not sure exactly what happened to her. Before, she had like a skin issue where you can see where she was kind of bald and patchy in places, but unfortunately the vet could never figure out what was wrong with her. But they kind of think that since she was so young, she was only 4 years old, they think that it was probably cancer. But yeah, we'll miss our little meowlin.
I'm gonna use my witchcraft.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. So much to say. Take control of your own life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. if we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright.
Here I'm just fixing up and cleaning her Barbie dream house. We still don't have much furniture in her Barbie dream house, but she's starting to play with the Barbies now, so hopefully this Christmas we can get her some furniture and stuff to put in her house.
It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me.
Alright, and this is going to be about the end of the video. I'm sorry it took me forever to get this video out. There was some things that happened, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a lot of cleaning motivation out of it. I'm so happy my daughter's room got all nice and clean. But yeah, if this is your first time here, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below and join my little YouTube family. I would love to have you here. And with that, I hope you guys have a great rest of the time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure.